I just woke up, going to go down and see my wee boy. Son is just going for a chest scan. I'm going to get my catheter out and get me up walking. And then I'll go down to see him. Can't wait for cuddles. I've missed him. I'm just having breakfast before I go in to see the wee man. This pain relief needs to kick in because this is too sore. Like I said, like nobody can prepare you for a cesarean, especially a third one. It is so sore, especially when they need to cut into the same scars. This is definitely the sorest one, but hopefully I'll get better through on the day and I can just enjoy my wee bundle of joy. But I'm going down to see him soon once I'm finished up with breakfast, and I'll go down and see him downstairs. Can't wait for lots of cuddles and see how he is. I've only had an hour's sleep because they don't leave you alone in here. I've got to keep checking on you and doing ops. It is brutal. But aye, I'll be fine, I'll live. But I'll check in with you all later.